As a general contractor, I've been building custom exterior living spaces like this pergola for years. Homeowners love the lifestyle that comes with beautiful outdoor living spaces, and these type of structures are more in demand than ever before. One of the challenges I often face is how to build beautiful outdoor living spaces with hardware that has structural integrity to meet building codes and keep people safe without having to compromise on appearance. That's why I'm so excited about this new line of outdoor accents decorative hardware from Simpson Strong-Tie. They are the industry leader in structural connectors. I'm Jamie Schmitt, and I'm going to introduce you to this new line. I've been building with Simpson Strong-Tie products for years because they are the industry standard and leader when it comes to designing, testing, and manufacturing steel connectors. This outdoor accents decorative line is no different. They're sturdy, durable, and reliable. This hardware is made from galvanized steel and then powder-coated black so it will last in exterior environments. They're designed and load-rated to meet the most stringent building codes for seismic or high-wind events. One of the features I like best is the innovative structural screw and washer combination that Simpson Strong-Tie developed for this new line. It looks like a bolted connection, but it installs as easily as a screw with no pre-drilling. This hex head washer is load-rated and so innovative that there's a patent pending for its design. If you've ever tried to drill through holes in a 4x4 or 6x6 and keep them straight, you know that driving a screw is a lot easier. You have a selection of T and L strap ties that bring style and lateral strength to your outdoor living space. Finally, there is an assortment of angles to join together your beams, rafters, and more. Whether it's 2x, 4x, or even 6x lumber, this hardware is attractive and versatile. Gone are the days where you had to use extra time and materials to hide the hardware. These angles highlight your connections and bring your structures to life. Be sure to check out the whole line of Simpson Strong-Tie outdoor accents hardware before you build your next custom pergola.